all, it's really important to have your hair looking good. You want to brush it, you want to do something with it. You just don't want it to look like a bird's nest, a rat's nest. You want it to look like it has some style, even if it's like a punky style with product in it, because people will know that you are taking good care of yourself, that you care about how you look. Additionally, you want to make sure that your skin is nice and clean. If you put some foundation on, you can at least even out your skin tone so that it looks smoother. It helps you look younger, it helps you look healthier, it helps you look more energetic and vivacious. So that's really nice. Whether you want to put a little blush on or not, that's your choice. You also don't want to have dry, cracked lips. So if you put some lip gloss on, some lipstick on, that really helps you look good. But more importantly, it gives you confidence to know that you look nice, you look clean, you look attractive. When it comes to your clothing, don't wear torn, old, dirty clothing. You don't quite feel as good as if you put on clothing that you know is really clean. It just gives you a different feel. And that's a habit you should get into. Elevate your confidence, improve your rapport, and the way you are perceived by the world will change by just elevating how you take care of yourself.